Hello there. Welcome to Treadmill Running Belts. We are one of the largest stockists of affordable silicone oil and new treadmill belt replacements in Australia. In this video, we will walk you through the general guide on how to apply silicone oil on the treadmill. Applying silicone oil is very important. Without this layer of lubricant, heat and friction can cause major and expensive damage to either your deck, treadmill belt, control board, and/or motor. By routinely applying silicone lubricant to your deck, you are reducing the risk of damage and adding longevity to your treadmill. Then, the steps on how to apply it. 1. If your treadmill belt is covered by the side rails, use your feet or hands to move the belt to one side. Now there is a gap. 2. Lift belt up and apply approximately 3 to 7 milliliters of silicone oil in a squiggle pattern under the treadmill belt from one end to the other. 3. Now using your hands or feet, move belt to the other side. 4. Repeat step 2. 5. Using your hand or feet, move belt back to center and make sure the belt is not rubbing on any areas or caught on guide rails under the treadmill. 6. To assure an even coverage, walk on the treadmill for a few minutes, spreading the silicone oil under the belt as you walk. For more information on how to apply silicone oil on your treadmill and order placement, kindly contact us today. You can purchase silicone oil from us at $19.95, and we deliver worldwide, as well as replacement treadmill running belts starting from $88. Email sales@runningbelts.com.au. Website www.runningbelts.com.au.